All right, here we go. As you can see, Mono STI. He's got his big turbo STI right here, so he's gonna give us a cold start. And actually, we'll probably go through some of those mods earlier or later on in the video. So check it out. For a ride in the big turbo beast, man. Say what up, man.
What's up? How's it going?
Put my seatbelt on. Got the car
It's not
right
that fast.
What kind of power are you making right now?
I made 580.
580? Shit. God damn, man. Yeah.
Stock case. It's built by Steve. It's got apparently forged pistons, rods, head studs, built heads, 272 cams, E85, 6466.
So with all of this virus stuff going on right now, there's like nobody on the freeway, bro.
Really?
Nobody.
Is it because you just came from downtown?
Dude, I came from downtown to here, no traffic whatsoever. Like I was just
during
cruising.
like the worst time too.
And this is what time is it right now? Like 5 o'clock?
5?
Yeah. Maybe we should call up Bader for a little,
right?
action.
Yeah, I mean, he's in town. Might as well.
He's probably gonna see this and
right. He's like, ooh, it's on. He's like, gotta bust the dust off the Hyper Blue.
Holy crap, that thing pulls up top, man.
I mean, yeah, it rips all the way to 8 grand.
Holy
big turbo.
Shit. That's what's up right there.
Big turbo, good cams, good tune.
The exhaust is not too loud though, man. For me, I don't know. Maybe I'm just used to it now.
When you're like on the freeway at 3 grand and sitting at, it's so bad, doing like 60, 70 the whole time.
Oh yeah.
Oh my goodness, it just drones and resonates inside the car.
No knock on there. Like he was saying, he's got no knock.
Never.
I can't reach that far. No 141, no 14 knock.
Nothing. 0, 0, 0.
There you go. That's how it is. Tuned
Only
by
best.
who?
Steve.
That's
Steve
right.
tuned.
Yeah. Give us some beans. Get a little air on there. Big turbo, 600 wheel horsepower, almost 600. So just driving normally just feels like a regular car, just a regular
like
STI.
normal daily driver.
There you go.
Let me turn on the AC.
Oh yes.
We still got AC. You know, can't forget about AC. It's the perks of a daily.
What's your miles per gallon?
Miles per gallon? Oh.
Dude, on mine it's like I get like 220 per tank.
I would be lucky to get that much.
You serious? No way.
Well, right now my car has a cam sensor.
Oh yeah.
That failed, so it's pretty much like in a limp mode.
Oh okay.
So I'm running really rich.
Oh okay.
So my gas mileage is horrible.
10, maybe, if that.
I'm lucky.
Yeah. It's the E85 life.
3/4 of the tank from here to what was that track?
Oh, the Pacific Raceway? Yeah.
3/4 of a tank.
Really? Holy shit.
Almost a full tank.
No way.
There. Well, it's,
Yeah.
It's probably what, 170 miles to full tank now, but once I fix my issues, it'll get up to 250, 300 miles to a full tank. Because I've gone 250, 300 to a full tank before.
Yeah. That's just like babying it though.
Yeah, that's obviously highway miles.
Yeah. But yeah, man.
But, when you got 110 gallons of fuel sitting at home, you don't worry about...
Why not? Yeah, let's go get some E85.
Yeah. That's why you're here, right?
We're gonna get some of the good stuff, My local gas station's usually around 70 to 80, usually, but
This is 85 on the dot every single time.
Every single time.
Every single time.
Let's go check it out. Because I'm at 70 right now.
You'll see.
Yeah. Damn, I got VP jugs, man. You got big drums, man. I gotta get on your level, bro.
It's the only way.
You smell that? You guys like the smell of corn? I don't know.
It's actually not corn. It's berries.
Berries? Oh, is it?
Yep.
Oh.
Yep.
Wow.
He makes it all from berries.
Huh.
Yep.
This little thing in my bar when it pumps?
A few times, yep.
That's it? And it just automatically fills?
Yep. Until it gets super low, and then obviously then you have to do it by hand.
Damn. So if you guys are saying that you don't have E85 where you live, I'm pretty sure someone can deliver it to you.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's the best way. And it's like, and I know every time I pump this in my car, it's E85. I don't have to guess if it's 70 or 60 and worry about damaging my car.
Yeah.
It's E85 every time.
Check it out. Social media right here, right in the middle. Can't miss it, guys. But that's it for today's video. Just a casual day, you know, of after work, nothing else to do. But
get some E85.
Got some E85.
Catch up with an old friend.
Hell yeah, dude.
Talk some cars.
Yep. So, you want to run, dude?
I'm down. I'm happy.
So you said you can beat Bader? Oh. Anyways, quick video for you guys today. That is it. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you guys later. Say peace out, man. Peace. Boom. The drill. Oh God, man. I hate this part. I really want to pull out. I really do. Sometimes at that very last second, you have to decide if you want to pull out or not. Because your life could change if you do or you don't. Decision's all up to you. Fuck, man. Jesus Christ. Last chance, man. Last chance. Fuck it. Let's do it. Okay. I don't know if you can see me or hear me, because it's kind of tight in the space down here. But that thing right there, you see that little hose clamp right there? My up pipe, well, that heat shield broke. The weld broke. It was actually the weld that broke, and it was just rattling everywhere. God, that thing is annoying. Okay. Here's the old heat shield. Let's compare it to the new one. Oh, damn Honda. Jesus Christ. Oh my God, that sounds freaking horrible, dude. How the hell can you? Oh my God, dude.
It comes from the fender to the side skirt extension. The over bumper.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Fuck, I fucked up. I fucked up.
Slide on some hose clamps. And then we have the Y fitting. Goes in here.
That was gross.
You're welcome. So we'll go right here.